In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to import a bin inside of Davinci Resolve. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Davinci Resolve like you usually would, and then just open up any project that you want to import your bin inside of. From here, it should bring something like this. From here, you'll need to go up to the media pool inside of the edits tab, and then from here, it should bring something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the master bin over here, and then go over and click a new bin right there. Once you've clicked a new bin, you'll need to right click on this newest bin, and then you'll be able to import a new bin right here. Now once you click that, you'll be able to see this page right here. From here, you'll need to find the specific bin that you want to import into Davinci Resolve. Once you've found it, you'll simply need to click on it and then click open. From here, it will take a little while depending on how many files that is inside of the specific bin, and then you can just click select folder right here. And then you can see right here all of the files inside of this specific bin. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!